G'day, Eric Packer, naturopath, author of Candida Crusher. Thank you for checking out my video today. The question today is ringworm Candida? Ringworm isn't Candida. Ringworm is a fungal infection of the skin we call dermatophytosis. So dermatophytes are fungi that live in different parts of the body, but generally on the body. Animals can get ringworm too. Cats and dogs and domestic animals can get it as well. These circular patches on the skin are not generally caused by worms, okay? They're caused by fungi. So dermatophytes, the two particular types we're looking at here are called trichosporum, microsporum and trichophyton, sorry. These are the two particular types of yeast that we're going to find that are affecting the skin. So they feed on the keratin, or like the outer layer of shed skin. They like to feed on that, particularly in the warm, moist areas of the body, but they can also be found on patches on the chest, or even exposed areas like the arm. So treatment's quite similar. I recommend using pure Australian tea tree oil on the ringworm and making sure that the diet changes are in place to take the sugar out of the diet, in a similar kind of diet that I recommend for intestinal or vaginal or jockage, these kinds of yeast problems. So this condition is not caused by a worm. It's caused by yeast that are different from Candida. Don't forget, there are many different types of yeast that live on the body and in the body, many different species, many different types, so it's easy to get confused. Treatment in the old days for ringworm was quite severe. If you had really bad ringworm of the scalp, they'd even x-ray it to try and get rid of it. And prior to the 1900s, with these sort of circular patches on the skin, they'd actually pour mercury on there to try and cure it, which is ridiculous. So just remember, tea tree oil is a fantastic treatment to apply externally to the skin for ringworm. If you do it twice per day, it's going to really help significantly. So I hope that answers your question about ringworm and Candida. Thanks for tuning in.